Okay guys, let me show you what you're going to need to make this banner. You're going to need a placemat with whatever word or saying that you want on it. I picked this up at Target last year from their dollar spot, but you can pick up a plain one and stencil your own word on there if you want to. That's totally up to you. I'm not sure if Target has these this year. You're also going to need some jute twine. I got this from Michael's on clearance a while ago, but Dollar Tree actually has the jute twine in their hardware section, so just pick you up some of that. And you're also going to need these dowel rods. I found that out the hard way. So this was one of those fly by the seat of my pants kind of projects. So yeah, just grab you some of those from Dollar Tree. And you're also going to need, of course, some scissors and a glue gun. Okay guys, so I've ironed my placemat and gotten all the wrinkles out, and what I'm about to do now is show you how to just kind of measure out the length of your hanger, you know, how long you want it to be from the top. And so you just cut that length, and I've already done it. And I'm just going to flip over the placemat and attach it to the back with just a couple of drops of hot glue. And I'm just sort of encasing the twine, if you will, into the bead of glue so it'll have a good adhesion and hold up nicely. And just be careful when you do this so you won't burn yourself with that hot glue. Okay, and just let that dry. And now that that's done, I'm going to add a little embellishment to the front. I made these cute little bows out of that jute twine, and I wanted it to look as though the hanger was, you know, sort of poking through the front, and I tied it, sort of an optical illusion, if you will. And so I'm just going to attach these little mini bows. What I'm doing is actually camouflaging the mistake that I made from a previous project. Didn't want to throw this away because that project just did not turn out the way that I thought, and so I just came up with something else, and this is a great way to recycle something that you've messed up on and camouflage any kind of mistakes or whatever. So I've added the bows, and now I'm cutting off that excess from where I hung the hanger in the back. So I think that looks really cute, and it was one of those, you know, fly by the seat of my pants kind of things. So anyway, I'm also doing the same thing at the bottom. There was a bit of glue that was still attached to the placemat, and so I'm camouflaging that with another length of twine. And I like the way that it came off the spool. It was kind of wavy or curly, and I like that little element, so I want to keep that. And what I'm going to do is actually add a little bow like I made for the top in the center of that, as though it's like a little, you know, scroll, a little scroll made out of the jute twine, I guess. But it's just, it's cute, a cute little decorative element. And it's serving a purpose. It's hiding that messed up glue spot. So yeah. And so I'm now gonna just add a drop of glue to keep that little shape from that twine coming off the roll or the spool. And it's really cute. I like how it turned out. And yeah, there you go. I just love that. I just think this is the cutest little thing. You never know what you'll come up with when you're, you know, just in your creative zone, if you will. And at this point, I thought I was done I'm like, okay, my banner's done or whatever. So when I went to pick it up, it just sort of flopped all over the place because it didn't have any stability. So this is where the dowel rods come in. And again, like I said, I found out the hard way. So here we go. So this piece of dowel rod was left over from that other project. So what I did was just attached it to the back, again, to give some stability to this banner. And I also added a couple of pieces on the end so that it would stay straight. And this is the final result. And I love how this turned out. This little project will be great to hang on like a pantry door or a closet door, bathroom door, just to add a little bit of fall decor to a blank spot in your house. So yeah, I love it. A really cute little happy accident, I guess you can call it that. Well, anywho, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye, y'all.